Hi students, today we are starting our next topic, that is Zwitter ion. Zwitter ion formation is another particular property of amino acid. It is a neutral molecule with positive and negative charge having the ionizable nature of NH2 and COOH group. Hence in solutions of different pH the structure of amino acid changes variably. Now this is total fully protonated form, that is H3NCHR By the addition of hydrogen ion, it becomes H3NCOOH CH, and here H is reduced and it becomes Zwitter ion. Now again here you can see it is deprotonated, it is protonated, it is Zwitter ion and it is deprotonated. So it means here removal of H ion and here also removal of H ion. So it is fully protonated, it is Zwitter and it is deprotonated form. Now lipids. Lipids are the esters of fatty acids and alcohol, and these are generally insoluble in water. They could be simply fatty acids. Fatty acids are the organic acids having hydrocarbon chains that end in a carboxylic group. The carboxylic group is attached to an R group that could be a methyl group or ethyl group. Methyl means CH3, ethyl C2H5 or higher number of CH2 groups. That is 1 carbon to 19 carbon. Example palmitic acid and has 16 carbon including carboxycarbon. Depending upon the types of bond present, fatty acids are of two types, saturated and unsaturated. Saturated fatty acids do not have the double bond. These are generally solid at room temperature. Unsaturated fatty acids which contain one or more than one double bond. These are generally liquid at room temperature. Now you can see CH3, CH214, COOH, CH3, CH27, CH double CH, CH27, COH, oleic acid, this is palmitic acid. And number 1 is saturated and number 2 oleic acid, that is unsaturated. Now we will study about the difference between both of them, saturated and unsaturated. Saturated, they do not possess any double bond, they possess one or more double bond, they are solid at room temperature. Unsaturated, they are liquid at room temperature. Saturated, they occur in most animal fats. Unsaturated, they occur in most plant fats. Saturated, relatively higher melting point and here relatively lower melting point. Saturated, example palmitic acid and stearic acid, and unsaturated oleic acid and linoleic acid. Now we are starting with simple lipids. These are the esters of fatty acids and various alcohol. They are of further two types, neutral or true fats. These are esters of fatty acids with glycerol or glycerine. They are also called glycerides. Glycerol is a simple lipid which is known as trihydroxypropane, and it is an alcohol with the backbone of 3 carbon atoms, each carrying an OH group. When alcohol is esterified with fatty acid, it is known as triglyceride. The ester is called monoglyceride, diglyceride and triglyceride depending on the number of fatty acid attached to the glycerol. You can see this is a glycerol, C, triple C, H 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 3O. This is glycerol. Now this is fatty acid, as you can see how the difference, this is fatty acid and triglyceride. When they both are added to each other, it becomes in this manner and it is known as triglyceride. Now here if we will see the organic formula of triglyceride, you can see COOH, R2, CH2CS, CH2, CH2O, COOR1, CH2COO, R3, and this is R2. So this will be known as the triglyceride R1, R2 and R3. Now compounds or conjugated lipids. These are the esters of fatty acids and alcohol but contain other substances too. Example phospholipids, glycolipids, cutin, suberin, etc. Phospholipids are lipids which have phosphorus and phosphorylated organic compound in them. One of the common example of phospholipid is lecithin. Some tissue has complex structure of lipids, that is neural tissues. Oils are usually liquid at room temperature because they have low melting point, that is groundnut oil, cottonseed oil, mustard oil, etc. As oils have low melting point, They remain as oils in the winters also. Example, gingerly oil. Now here we can see in which manner you can see this is R1, this is R2, this is phosphate molecule, here CH2 and CH3. Here CH2COR1, CH2COOR2. Now here CH2PO4H, CH2CH2, and then from CH2 aniline acid, and from here CH3 3 times. This is compound lipid. This is another example, cholesterol. Number 1 was phospholipid, that is lecithin, and here it is the cholesterol. As you can see, pentagonal structures 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5, OH, cholesterol. Now derived lipids. These are the lipid-like substances such as sterol or derivatives of lipids. Example, steroids, prostaglandins and terpenes. Fats are also differentiated into two main types on the basis of their melting points at room temperature are as follows. Hard fats are solid at room temperature and contain long chains of fatty acid. Example, animal fat. Softness of butter is due to the good quantity of short chain fatty acid as it contains. Now nucleotides. These are the monomers of nucleic acid. The nucleotides are made up of three molecules, that is pentose sugar, a cyclic nitrogenous base, and a phosphoric acid, that is phosphate group. Example, adenylic acid, thymidyllic acid, guanylylic acid, uridylic acid, and cytidyllic acid. Now we will study about nucleotide. As you can see, this is H2PO4 CH2. This is pentagon structure, OH, OH, O, and adenine. This is adenylic acid. Now pentose sugar. It occurs in the pentagon or the furanous form with 4 carbon in the form of the ring, and it is present in the form of ribose or deoxyribose sugar in RNA and DNA respectively. Nitrogenous bases. These are the flat heterocyclic compounds having nitrogen and carbon in the ring structure. These are basically of two types. Purines are the larger and composed of 2 rings. They are further of 2 types, that is adenine and guanine. Pyrimidine, it is smaller and composed of single ring. There are further 3 types, that is cytosine and thymine, thymine T, cytosine C, uracil U. Now we will study adenine, that is you can see purine, and uracil that is pyrimidine. Now we will study about the different structures of both. This is NH2 and double bond, single bond, double bond, single bond, double bond, NH, NH. Uracil, O2, NH and NH, this is pyrimidine, nitrogenous bases. Phosphoric acid. It is composed of phosphoric acid. A nucleotide may have 1, 2 or 3 phosphate groups. It gives acidic nature to the nucleotide. Now nucleoside. If a pentose sugar is attached to a nitrogen base by a glycosidic bond, it is called nucleoside. Example, adenine and ribose, that is adenosine. Likewise, guanosine, thymidine, uridine, cytidine are the examples of nucleoside. The nucleoside combines with the phosphate groups at 5 position by an ester bond to form a nucleotide. Now we will study, you can see adenine, these are nucleosides. This is adenosine, HOCH2O, adenine, OH, OH. Then HOCH2O, this is uracil, OH, OH. Now difference between nucleoside and nucleotide. Nucleoside, it is composed or it is a compound formed by the combination of nitrogen base with a pentose sugar. It is compound formed by the combination of nitrogenous bases, pentose sugar and a phosphate group. It is component of nucleotide, it is component of nucleoside, it is basic in nature, it is acidic in nature. Example, guanosine, adenosine, here example guanylylic acid or adenylic acid. Next, we are starting primary and secondary metabolites. A large number of organic molecules are present in the cells which are used in various metabolic reactions of the cell. Hence, these compounds are called metabolites, and these are divided into two types. Now, primary metabolites. These are metabolites which are found in animal tissue. Their functions are easily identified. They play a specific role in normal physiological processes. Example: amino acid, carbohydrates, protein, nitrogen bases, nucleic acid, etc. Secondary metabolites. These are metabolites which are generally found in plant, fungal and microbial cells, and these are the products of certain metabolic pathways. Their functions are not identifiable in the host organism and are not yet understood. Example: alkaloids, flavonoids, rubber, essential oil, antibiotics, colored pigment, scent, gums, spices, etc. Now, some secondary metabolites. Now, pigment, that is carotenoid and anthocyanin, alkaloids, that is porphyrin and codeine, terpenoids, that is the monoterpenes and diterpenes, essential oil, lemon, grass oil, etc., toxins, arabin and ricin, lectin, that is the concanevalin A, drugs, that is vinblastine or curcumin, and polymeric substances, rubber, gums and cellulose. Now, nucleic acids are composed of nucleotides. Both DNA and RNA act as genetic material. Uracil is found only in RNA in place of thymine. Ribose molecule differs from deoxyribose molecule in having a OH group instead of H at carbon 2. Heterocyclic compounds have more than one kind of atoms. Functions: both primary and secondary metabolites serve the following function. Many of them are useful in human welfare. Example: rubber and pigment, drugs, spices, scents. Some have ecological importance, etc. Today, whatever I have taught you, I am sending you its PDF. Thank you.